Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with one of the biggest hiring from the PwC by another important company. So if you are the freshers and 2026 batch or 2025 batch, then this one the great opportunity, and I will suggest everyone you should apply. So this is the opportunity from the PwC. They are hiring for the role of aspiring innovator talent side 2026 batch. So application deadline 11th March. So till 11th March you can apply, and CTC will be this one. Okay, I mean 29,000 approx will get per month. So this is also great stipend. Okay, and you will be getting monthly stipend. So if you are from non-engineering degree or from 3 year, then you are eligible for this. Means BCA, BCom, another non-engineering branching you are eligible. Then you can apply for this. Coming to next important opportunity for the engineer. Okay, they are hiring, means by hiring for the role of DET Associate Software Engineer, and I have already provided you update related to that. So earlier the application was closed, but now they have again opened the link, or means registration still open now, and you can basically apply for this. So these will be your roles and responsibility. You will working on digital technology, testing services, data analytics, Oracle. So you might work on these various things. Okay, so any particular domain will be allocated to you depending on the business requirement. So what are the skills required? You should have understanding of SDLC model and some knowledge of Java, C++. So this is a good things. And if you have some internship, then this will increase your chances in this. Again saying friends, keep applying for various job important opportunity, and beside preparing for the NQT and other things, you should apply for the off campus. Okay, soon Cognizant other mass hiring will be announced. So I will provide all update there, and we have already going forward with the NQT Coding Series. So if you are preparing for any coding exam, then you can follow that playlist, and you can see candidates response is good. So keep applying and also keep reading. So next important opportunity, that is from the .NET app. Okay, and this is also a wonderful opportunity. So NetApp carriers, and they are hiring for the role of software engineer, and job location is Bangalore. Okay, so this is also great opportunity, and these will be your roles and responsibilities. So job summary you can show, and these will be your responsibility that you will design, measure system and features, implement unit test, debug, verify production, improve performance reliability. So these are the roles and requirement. And what are the job requirement means, what are the skills they are demanding. So you should have knowledge in data structure, complex algorithm, and problem solving skill. You should have knowledge or skills in C++, Python, Golang, or Ruby, any one language you should have. And if you have some working knowledge with REST API and TCP/IP and all these things, you can apply. So if you are from the bachelor's degree from electrical engineering, CS background, or master degree, then you are eligible for this. This is one of great opportunity, and I will suggest everyone you should apply. Coming to last important opportunity from the Iris, and this is also a good hiring, and they generally hire lots of candidates through this. So they are hiring for the role of graduate engineer trainee, and job location is Noida, UP, India. So if you are interested for this role, then you can apply. These are just basic requirements, that you should have good communication skill, and programming language, that Java and OOPS concept should be good, and database, that is the DBMS management and SQL should be there. So this is a great opportunity. You can apply for that. For applying, just click here apply now. Then you can either apply through LinkedIn, or you can just apply directly here. Okay, so this is the great opportunity you can apply. Okay, so hope informative to you. Koई query feel free to ask here, and friends, please support and subscribe us, because we will post lots of important job opportunity here. So keep learning, keep growing, and भाई NQT पे आप लोग ध्यान दीजिए. Soon other campus hiring, means off campus hiring will announce. I will provide update to that too. Thank you.